Hey everyone, this is Brandon with Cypress Learning, and today I will be unboxing my 2021 Connections gift basket. Gilda, thank you, and the Salesforce marketing team, thank you for sending this over my way. I'm very excited to get into this box and see what's inside. So let's check it out. All right, so it says, open here to get more from digital. So looks like there's a little wrapper around it. We're going to go underneath here. All right, so we're going to take this piece off, and we've got this nice, looks like some environmentally friendly paper box. Let's go ahead and open this up and check this out. So we've got a nice personalized letter. Very cool. There's a little card here that says, Jam on, welcome to the Sounds of Connections 2021. So there's a playlist that you can go to. Visit salesforce.com/connections to listen in. And then let's check out the goodie box here. So what have we got? We've got a nice Salesforce Snapback Hat. Oh, and there's stuff underneath it. So cool, a nice little hat that I'll swap out with the Nike hat that I have wearing right now. Bad hair day, so you don't get to see all of that. Underneath here, we've got some stickers and stuff. The kids are gonna love these. I love putting stickers all over our cars and all over our house. Really cool. We've got some Beats, Beat Flex, some headphones, a marker, dry erase for the right board. Oh, can't have enough of these. Nice blue. Maybe that's not quite the Salesforce blue, but fun blue marker. And let's see what else is inside of here. We have got, what, I don't know if these are chopsticks, maybe. Chopsticks. Apply a handle to your character prop. Oh, I see. So these will work with the stickers to make puppet shows. I think that's fun, or maybe they'll end up being chopsticks here. And then of course got to have a fresh new mug for 2021. So we've got this very cool high quality Salesforce mugs. I love these. Last year's was a Yeti one. This is very cool. This is an Arctic Zone Titan thermal HP mug, and very cool, exciting Salesforce swag. Let's get digital 2021. Let's see if anything else is inside of here. It looks like that's it. I'm excited. I've got a lot of work to get back to, but just wanted to share that unboxing with everyone out there. New hat, new headphones, new mug, ready to get to work. See you all out there. Have a good one. Bye.